Alright, here's what we're going to try. The other day I made a little short. The wax on this ammo is dried out. It's old Lapua Master M. This box I've let soak for about a week. I put a couple of drops on each bullet of Lucas lubricant, gun lube, and we're going to shoot it first, and then let's shoot the untreated first, because this barrel is cold and clean. I cleaned it really good the other night. So we're going to shoot the Master that the lube's dried up on first, and then we'll shoot the one that I've doctored with the Lucas oil. Let me put you on pause till I get you zoomed in on the target. Okay, I think I got you on the target. We're going to use the so I'm going to get my earplugs in. We'll use the dried up one first, then we'll use the doctored one. Did I get some earplugs in? I know it's a 22, but my ears have suffered a lot of damage over the years to shoot. Always put in your ear protection. I don't care what you're shooting. I wear glasses, so I don't really got to worry about the eye protection as much. Which I'm getting new glasses in a couple of weeks. So y'all that say to shoot against me in the upcoming matches, y'all just screwed. That's all I know to tell you. Screwed, I tell you. Let's see, let's run 10. Oh, let's run 15. No, let's run 10. We ain't got time. Alright, 15. And I'm going to aim for the center of that paper, because I don't know where it's going to hit at. I ain't shot this. I shot it a few weeks ago, but anyway, I'll aim at the center of the paper, and we'll throw this first shot away. First couple, actually, because this gun shoots low. The first shot. So I'm going to aim at that center bull. It'll go way low. Like that. Let me run a couple through that way. I hope the camera don't shut off, but man, it's 80 down degrees. It's more than 80. I love it. Well, that's a target right, a target low. So let's see where the second shot goes. Right up there close. I'm telling you, man, first shot out of this gun, if you let it set any amount of time, it's going to shoot low. I pillar bedded it, glass and pillared it. Don't make no difference. Torched it everywhere in the world. Don't make no difference. It's going to go low, so I just accept it and roll with it. Okay. See why I wasn't going to count that first fire? Crazy, man. I wish I could show you a picture of how this looked yesterday. This whole valley, you could have floated a barge down. Today, very little wind, and it's friggin' beautiful. But tomorrow we're supposed to get some of the same damn storms, so. Alright. Let's put 5. Go to the upper left hand corner and try this 5. See my heart beating in the scope. Like that Chad over at Kentucky Rimfire and Hobbies. I'm about as bad as him right now. I'm glad I ain't on scope cam. This ammo, I laid out here, didn't think about it. It's getting hot. That's a no-no with rimfire ammo, in case y'all didn't know. I'm getting a little hot, to be honest with you. Golly, it's the first in a long time. More. This ammo, I don't know what y'all this dry or what, but I can't get to shoot good in anything. That's about average right there of what it shoots in about anyway. Not too awful bad. All right, let's go to the wet stuff. Traded with the Lucas oil. I put on that short the other day. You go back and watch it. Don't know what I'm talking about. Alrighty. You sure feel the difference in it. Take that one out. Alright. We'll just go to the next target. Now we'll skip one target, go to the next one. It'll be the third on the left. Off road. You know what? Yeah. That went rather low, did it? I don't think it cooled enough to do that. You see? That might be just the lube. Wow, that went that much lower. Did you see that? Golly. I'll throw away this first 5 for sure. Do just like we did on the other. We'll just throw this first 5 away. Now see we're back up on the target. I got a little wind. Right to left right now. A little bit of tail. hole in it. All right. Now let's go. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there's 5. So let's skip over to the next one. And go for a group. Be the 4th one. Wow, that dropped way down there again, almost to the center of the target. So I'm gonna go ahead and say this ain't gonna work. There may be diesel with this, you know, that oil, you know, I don't know. Wow. I hit one. I got one more. One in the ring anyway. There's 2 touching. I'm gonna go ahead and shoot. See, I got 3 more laid out. Let's use those. Just in case you have to get it hot with this stuff for some reason. But there's 5, boy. Just absolutely sharp. Shoot these out 3. I'm still shooting that same bullseye, 4th one. Yeah, I think you can shoot the rest of them. Golly, that sucked. That wicked sucked. So let's not do that again. So the lube on the dried up wax don't work. I guess it's dieseling or something, because God almighty, that was flipping terrible. You guys have a good one. Try to have a good day. Help somebody.